Welcome to a short video that will show you how to record a screencast with Microsoft Stream. Before you begin, if you plan to narrate your video, it's good practice to have your script typed up in Notepad or Word and available to view on your second screen. To use Stream, open a web browser and log into your Microsoft account at office.com. Next, click on the small grid at the top left to access all the Microsoft apps. If Stream is not listed here, click on All Apps and scroll down to find it. Stream will launch and open a file browser, which displays any files you have recently recorded or worked on. To create a screencast, click on the New Recording button. By default, Stream will want to record from your camera. To record your screen, click on the icon. At this point, if you want to record just your screen with no narration, click on the camera and mic icons to turn them off. Subtitles can be added to the video later. When you are ready, click on Start Screen Recording. You will be given the option to record a tab, a window, or the entire screen. Select Entire Screen and click on the screenshot below to select it, then click on Share. You now have 15 minutes to record your screencast. Click Hide on the bottom panel and you are ready to go. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to the page you want to record. This short example demonstrates how to access marketing material for our overseas agents. It's a good idea to rehearse this stage beforehand. Keep it simple and move slowly. Once you are done recording, go back to your Stream browser tab and click on Stop Recording. Your new recording will appear and begin playing. At this stage, if you pause the recording and click on the timeline strip below, you can drag the handles at each side to trim off any excess footage at the beginning and end of the recording. When you are happy, click on the Confirm button. You can now review your video or publish it. Your finished screencast will now be uploaded to your OneDrive account. Clicking on the Download button will save a backup copy to your PC. Once published, your video will appear with several options. You can customize a description, a thumbnail, or auto-generate captions. To share your video for any post-production, click on the Share button and select Manage Access. Click on Direct Access and select your colleague's name. Then click on Grant Access. This will email your colleague a link from where they can download your video. Thanks for watching.